Good evening, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you so much for coming over, and we're really very happy and glad that you're here to witness this momentous affair. And what we usually do is we acknowledge or present to you the people who make this celebration short of a miracle. And normally we start off with a beautiful girl who showered the part of the couple with petals of the. A big round of applause for Michael and Pep. A big round of applause and for a big kiss. Guys, one big kiss for the sake of the shower family. Can you take your seats, ladies and gentlemen? Very happy momentous affair. Happy momentous because finally the union between the Stewart and Manalansan families has been officially sealed. Let me start off by acknowledging the people who raised the couple into what they are now as individuals and who in one way or another have contributed to the growth as individuals and professionals. As I mention your names, would you please rise or wave of hand? And as I mentioned, the first share must be done by Michael. The very first share of the Cities of Love for Feb. The very first share. Okay, Michael. The first share. A big round of applause for Michael. And now the honor will be reciprocated by Feb, sharing also the Cities of Love for him, for his husband, for his loved one, and seal it with a kiss. Congratulations. The toasting ceremony is a formal act of expressing good wishes and lasting happiness in the couple. It's also a symbol of perfect health and long life. During the olden times, a man would drink to the health of one of the ladies, and a piece of cake and a glass of wine is passed on to every guest, receiving each one's compliments to symbolize health, long life, love everlasting for both of you guys for as long as you live. And let the toast pass. Drink to the last. And a kiss. Congratulations. Has any one of you ever wondered why doves are used during weddings? Well, apparently when a male dove becomes mature, it selects of course a female dove, and they stay together for the rest of their lives. It has been said that even if we separate, one from the other, they will surely find their homes and each other despite the distance. Moreover, the female dove lays in the 2 eggs at a time, one male and one female. The parent doves take turns in sitting over the eggs until they're hatched. This act symbolizes undying love and faithfulness for one another. And it also symbolizes purity of love for both of you guys, that you'll love each other for the rest of your lives eternally. And you have to let the doves kiss each other. And you'll kiss each other too. And the count of 3, release them. Kiss each other, Michael and Feb. 1, 2, 3. So, release them. So we wish the couple and love and faithfulness